Well, hi there, Pluckers. I was Saw Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting instrumental little song. This is an old Welsh folk song called The Ash Grove, okay? And I'm in standard tuning, no capos as you can see, and I'm doing it with a pick, okay? Obviously if you want to use your fingers, please do, but I'm using a pick, okay? Right then, Bozzies, let me hopefully show you how I played this song, okay? So we're starting off with a straightforward C chord, and we play the open third string first on its own, then we strum the C chord followed by the top E string on its own. Okay, so it's, then we add our pinky to the top E string, 3rd fret, play that note, and then the 1st fret of the top E string with the 1st finger. Right, so you got so far, got it? Then we play an A minor, 5 downwards, and then the 2nd string on its own. Okay, so you got then we play that 2nd string again, then we play a D minor, 4 downwards, strum. So far. Right, then little run. Top E string 1st fret, open top E string, 3rd fret 2nd, 1st fret 2nd. Okay, so now you've got this. Then we add a G chord, we play a G chord, and all you need to do is play it from the bottom E string to the 2nd string. Don't play the top E string, okay? Followed by a single strum, that's a 6 down to 2, okay? Then play the 3rd string open twice. Okay, so now we've got this. Then we play a C chord, strum, and then another little run, top E string, that's top E string open, 3rd on the 2nd, 1st on the 2nd, open 2nd. Yeah. So you got that C. That little run there, and then we play an F chord. Now 2 ways I'll show you this. A straightforward simple F. So what you do is just play the 4 down to 1, then you play the 4th string on its own, and then the 3rd string on its own. 2nd fret, 3rd. So 3rd fret, 4th string, and then the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So it's. So now you've got this bit. Let's go from the beginning, right from the beginning. Okay, now I was playing a 4-finger deck in my demo version, so it's the same thing, but I use the 3rd finger on the 5th string, 3rd fret, and the pinky taking over on the 4th string, 3rd fret, and 5 down to 1. Then you play the 4th string and the 3rd string. So, or you can play a simple F and do the same. Just so you get that 4th string and 3rd string after this strum, right? But if you play the 4-finger version, you get a bit more guts in the chord. Or you can play it like that. Whichever is easier for you, okay? So right from the beginning, so far. final two bits are C, 5 down to 2, then you play that first on the second, a G chord, 6 down to 2 again, and back to C. So that's, and there's your first verse. So we'll just do the whole thing right from the beginning. Then the second verse is exactly the same. Okay, so when you've done the second verse, we come into the slightly different bit. Okay, so coming out of the second verse where it comes a you play this little bit, open top E string, then the first fret top E string, then you form a C chord with the pinky on the top E string, 3rd fret, 5 down to 1, strum. So then we have this little run, open top E string again, 1st fret top E string, 3rd fret top E string, and we slide that up to the 5th fret top E string. So the first goes, okay, then we form this like E minor shape with a top E string on the 3rd fret. So first finger's playing the second on the 4th string, the D string, and my 3rd finger, you can use your pinky or 3rd finger, top E string, 3rd fret, and I'm only playing the 4th string 4 down to 1 as a strum, yeah? So you got okay, then you play that 1st fret top E string. Okay, so you got then you play the top E string open and you play a D minor chord. So now you've got okay, then there's a little run, okay. That's 3rd on the 2nd, open top E, 1st on the top E, 3rd on the top E. So we got so far on this second part of the song where it goes okay, then we go to a G7, all 6 strings, first like a G but with a top E on the 1st fret there with your 1st finger. Then you strum that once from 6 down to 1. Take your 1st finger off, play the top E string open. So then you play pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string just as a single note. So now this middle section. Right. Then we play a C chord, then we play another run, so a 5 downwards strum on the C, then we have this next run, 1st fret 2nd string, 3rd fret 2nd string, open top E, 1st fret top E. So now you've got this. Okay, got that so far. And then we play an A minor. So far. Put your pinky up to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, sorry, and then take it off and play the 1st fret on the 2nd string. So far on this middle bit. Then what we do is this. It's an F chord but on the 3rd fret, so it's like a G chord but played as an F shape on the 3rd fret. You can do it as a 4-fingered variety if you want, whichever you want to do, but straightforward simple one's okay. Just say strum from 4 down to 1 if you're doing a 4-fingered, 3-fingered version. If you want to do a 4 version, you do that version. 5 down to 1, whichever, okay. So strum that down, whichever version you're doing, to the, all the way down from 4 to 1 or 5 to 1, and then you hit that top E string on the 3rd fret, right? Then you play a D7, 4 downwards, and then a G chord. So far we've got this. All you got to do is play the verse again. And there you have it. Play as many of those as you like. That's just 2 verses, middle bit, last, and then the verse again, or whatever. So whichever arrangement you want, you can make it twice as long or keep it sweet, short and sweet. So there you have it, boys and girls. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.